The third trap which students make, they don't simplify the fractions, especially when they are asking in the question to find the answer in the simplest form. Now if I take 6 and 12, now I am going to give you one trick. Okay, you won't show that here, you will do that in rough work. Earlier we were applying the common factor method for the denominators for finding LCM. Now I am going to find the common factor of 6 and 10 by using the same method. Now here some important things which you have to keep in mind. I have to first write numerator and then I have to write denominator. Now can you tell me 6 and 10, 12, which number will divide both the numbers? I can write 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 12. Now after this, can it be simplified? Sorry, 2 6 are 12. So after this, can it be simplified with 2? No, I can simplify this using 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Now see how you have to write the simplest form. You know, people leave the simplification halfway through and they don't understand that it is still not the simplified form because it doesn't have its highest common factor. So to find the highest common factor, I am telling you this method. Now earlier we were using these numbers also when multiplying. Now you don't have to use these numbers. Okay, after finding, just ignore these numbers, they are not existing for you anymore. Okay, now what we will do, below 6, what is the first number you have got? 3, so you will write this as 3. Below 12, what is the first number which you have got along with 3? That is 6. So this is the first simplified form. It is not yet the simplest form. Below 3 which you have got is 1 and along with 2, below 6 you have got 2. So 1 by 2 is the